Hello friends, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain the topic about how to install Chamilo in CentOS 7. Chamilo is a software which is used for virtual online trainings or learning management system. It is a free software and comes under GPL license. With Chamilo you can store and organize all of the study materials which can be utilized by tutors and students. Now we see the installation steps. First, I need to install the required packages. The packages are MariaDB, MariaDB-server, HTTP, PHP, etc. Now we see the command to install. The command is yum install MariaDB, MariaDB-server, HTTPD, PHP. Now enter to install. Now the package is successfully installed. The next command to install the packages. The command is yum install gcc hyphen c++ libu uid hyphen devel. Now enter to install. Press Y to continue. After installing the package, then we need to start the services. The command is systemctl start httpd. Here the service name is httpd. Now enter to start. The next command is to enable the service. The command is systemctl enable httpd. Now enter to enable. The next command is to start the MariaDB service. Systemctl start MariaDB. Now enter to start. The next command is to enable the MariaDB service. The command is systemctl enable MariaDB. Now enter to enable the service. Next, to create a database for Chamilo, now log into the MySQL root user. The command is mysql space -u space root space -p. Now enter. Now enter the password. Now create the database for Chamilo. Here the command is create database Chamilo. Here the command is create database name. Here the database name is Chamilo. Now enter to create. The next command is create space user space Chamilo at localhost identified by password. Now enter to create. The next command is grant all on Chamilo dot asterisk to Chamilo at localhost. Now enter. Next, exit from the MariaDB. The command is /q. Now enter. The next command is to download the Chamilo package. The command is wget space under the path. Now enter to download. Now the downloader is successfully completed. The next command is to open the file. The command is vim/etc/php.ini. Now enter to open this file. Press I to insert. Now add the content at the end of the file. After adding the content, then we need to save and exit from the file. The next command is to unzip the downloaded file. The command is unzip space and the file name. Now enter to unzip. Now the file is decompressed. The next command is to move your web directory and change permissions. The command is move space and the folder name space /var/www/html/chamilo. Now enter to move. The next command is to change the ownership. The command is chown space -R space apache space /var/www/html/chamilo. Now enter to change the ownership. The next command is to set enforce 0. The command is set enforce space 0. Now enter. The next command is to restart the web service. The command is systemctl space restart space httpd. Now enter to restart. Next, open the browser. Type http :/IP address is 192.168.5.191/Chamilo. Now enter. Now we got the welcome image of Chamilo installation wizard. Click install. Now select your language. Next, the next step is requirements. Click new installation. Now select I accept. Next. Now I am going to change my database login. Here my database login is Chamilo. Now enter the password for database login. After entering the database password, then click next. Now I am going to change the password and change the administrator name. Now click next. The next step is last check before installation. Now we want to check all the details. Now click install Chamilo. Next, click here. Now we got the image of login portal. Now enter the username. Here the username is admin and enter the password. Now click login. After login, now you will be able to manage your curriculum. Now click import user list. Now you can import users in bulk. Now I am going to the home page. Now I am going to click My Campus and click Home page. Now we got the image of e-learning portal is successfully installed. These are the steps to install Chamilo in CentOS 7. Thank you for watching this video.